Good morning, dear children. Welcome to today's class. Let us continue with the 14th chapter Algebraic Formulae Expansion of Squares. Children, in the previous video, we have seen derivation of the formulae a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Also, a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Children, today we are going to solve examples based on these formulae that were given in practice set 50. So children, get ready with your textbook and notebook and take out page number 93. Now practice set 50, question number 1. Expand. First example, 5a plus 6b whole square. Children, here we will use the formulae a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Because the given example is of the form a plus b whole square. In this example, here a is 5a and b is 6b. So, in the right hand side, we will write 5a in place of a and 6b in place of b. So, let us do it. 5a whole square. The first term will become then first term whole square, that is 5a whole square plus 2 multiplied by first term multiplied by second term, that is 2 multiplied by 5a multiplied by 6b plus second term whole square, that is 6b whole square. Now 5a whole square is 25a square, that is 5 square and a square. 5 square is 25, a square plus. Now multiply the coefficients in the second term first. 2 5s are 10, 10 6 are 60. So here the coefficient will become 60, AB. It is 60 AB plus 6 square B square, that is 36 B square. Hence the expansion of 5A plus 6B whole square is 25A square plus 60AB plus 36B square. Now second example, A upon 2 plus B upon 3 whole square. Again we will use the formula a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now in this example, a is a upon 2 and b is b upon 3. So here we will replace a by a upon 2 and b by b upon 3. So here we will get first term square, that is a upon 2 whole square plus 2 into a upon 2 into b upon 3. That is 2 into first term into second term plus second term whole square, that is b upon 3 whole square. Now a upon 2 whole square is a square upon 4 plus 2 will get cancelled. Here a into b will remain in the numerator and 3 in the denominator. Therefore the middle term is ab upon 3 plus numerator square upon denominator square, that is b square upon 9. Hence the expansion is a square upon 4 plus ab upon 3 plus b square upon 9. Now third example, 2p minus 3q whole square. Here we will use the formula a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now here a is 2p and b is 3q. So we will write 2p in place of a and 3q in place of b. So we will get a square, that is 2p whole square minus 2ab, that is 2 into 2p into 3q plus b square, that is 3q whole square. 2p whole square is 4p square minus, multiply the coefficients now, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12pq plus 3 square is 9q square. Hence the expansion of the given example is 4p square minus 12pq plus 9q square. Now fourth example, x minus 2 upon x whole square. Now here it is of the form a minus b. So we will use the formula a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now here we will write x in place of a and 2 upon x in place of b. Now here first term square, that is x square minus 2ab, that is 2 into x into 2 upon x. Here into first term into second term plus second term square, that is 2 upon x whole square. Here x square minus x will get cancelled in the middle term. So 2 2s are 4. Only negative 4 is left in the middle term, plus numerator square upon denominator square, that is 4 upon x square. Now fifth example, ax plus by whole square. Here it is of the form a plus b whole square. So we will use the formula a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now here a is ax and b is by. Now first term square is ax whole square plus 2 into first term into second term. That is 2 into ax into by plus second term square, that is by whole square. So ax whole square is a square x square plus 2 ax by plus b square y square. Now sixth example, 7m minus 4 whole square. Here it is of the form a minus b whole square. So we will use the formula a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now here a is 7m and b is 4. So a square is 7m whole square minus 2 into a into b, that is 2 into 7m into 4 plus b square, that is 4 square. Now 7m whole square is 49m square minus, now multiply all the numbers, 2 7s are 14, 14 4s are 56. So you will get the middle term as 56m plus 4 square, that is 16. Hence the expansion of given example is 49m square minus 56m plus 16. Now seventh example, x plus 1 upon 2 whole square. It is of the form a plus b whole square. That is, we will use the formula a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now here a is x and b is 1 upon 2. So here you will get x plus 1 upon 2 whole square equal to x square plus 2 into x into 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 whole square. Now here x square will be the first term, 2 will get cancelled in the middle term, so only x is left, plus 1 upon 2 whole square is 1 square upon 2 square, that is 1 upon 4. So the expansion is x square plus x plus 1 upon 4. Now eighth example, a minus 1 upon a whole square. Now it is of the form a minus b whole square. So it is known that a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now here we will write the first term as a square minus 2 into a into b, that is 2 into a into 1 upon a plus 1 upon a whole square. Now here in the middle term a will get cancelled. So the first term will be a square minus 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1 square upon a square is 1 upon a square. Hence the answer is a square minus 2 plus 1 upon a square. Children, here we have completed question number 1.